Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. I hope you are doing fantastic. We thank God for the new day. We thank God for the new day. You know, many are wishing to see such a beautiful day. But for us, we thank God. Yeah, I thank Him that I've seen a new day. And I don't take it for granted. So guys, let's head to the crying stone. I don't know if it's still crying because there is no rain at the moment. I don't know if it only has water during the rainy season, but let's try. Let's go and see what happens. Let's go. And so from here to town, it is 30 bob. And yeah, I had to mute because of the music. You know, you don't try copyright. That's why I muted. And so let's go, guys. So hizi ni zile pots za kuweka vifaranga. Yeah, unaweka vifaranga hapo, zinakaa hadi wakigrow wakigrow sasa ndio unaweza toanisha. Yeah, but mse alikuwa anahitaji ile kubwa, that's why we chose to go and look for a bigger one. We didn't pick this pot. It goes at 350. So guys, we're almost there, and so I'm gonna have a breakfast here before I proceed to the crying stone. Yeah, so hope you're gonna enjoy today's video. It's gonna be amazing. Yeah, so let's have breakfast first before we proceed. Ile imeiva vizuri. Neka mbili maji silike kunyesha kama utanikatia kata. So here I'm still waiting for chapati. I'm almost finishing the stew. I was very hungry. So I'm waiting for chapati. Yeah, there is maji. So let's have breakfast. I'm having a dengu chapati. Sorry. What? Hi. Hi guys. Good morning. We are almost there. I had to take breakfast first before I get in, because I don't know how long I'll stay there. Yeah, we're almost there, so let's go. Now my stomach is full at least. I was very hungry and there was no way I could go there when I'm hungry. Okay, so let's go and explore. So, County Government of Kakamega, Ministry of Trade, Industrialization and Tourism welcomes you to the Crying Stone Ihongo, but imefutika. Yeah, that is it, guys. So tunaenda hivi, we are heading this way. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. So guys, let me know. I'm trying to enter the Crying Stone and I'm told it is 150. Just in case you've ever been to this place, let me know how much did you pay. Because I'm here for the very first time, and so yeah, I'm now taking the receipt. So I'm taking the receipts at 150. So I paid 100 shillings, but I was told it's normally 150. So they gave me a discount of 50 shillings because I was coming here for the very first time. So, and here is the receipt. Here is the receipt. You see? The receipt is there. Yeah. Hiya, so let's go now. Maybe next time 150. But it is affordable. That's the good thing about them. I was told young kids they wanalipishwa 50 bob. Adults 150. Yeah, hiyo ni ya kanjo. So yeah guys, it's about time. I can't wait. I can't wait to see that Crying Stone. Yeah, I can't afford to miss that. I can't wait, guys. So let's go and explore. Let's go explore. I've a very long time to visit this place, but finally God has made it for us, guys, to be here. God has made it for us, and so yeah, let's enjoy exploring Kenya. For now we are exploring Kenya, and I know a time will come when we'll be traveling to other countries to explore different cultures, but I love everything about Kenya. But I also have a dream. I have a dream of traveling the world and exploring culture, exploring the countries outside Africa, Yeah. I at times love fun. Not at times. I think I love fun. I do. I love traveling. I love traveling a lot, but I haven't traveled enough. But I thank God for the few places that I've visited, And it is there, guys. You see? The Crying Stone. That's the stone. It's so beautiful. We are going to see it. Let's go and explore it. You see? You see it there? Finally. So guys, finally we are at the Crying Stone. there is no water, and that's why it's not dropping water. This is because it's dry season. But every time it's raining, it normally has water. Okay, but me, I had no idea about that. But I'm just happy that I'm here, and at least I'm able to see how the crying stone looks like. And yeah, you can all see how it looks like, you know. There are many. There are more than one, you can see. They have these two, and we have this one too. Okay, yeah. And this boy here is gonna give us the story about the crying. Kwa Kiswahili? Ataongea Kiswahili? Oh, sawa.